I wanna be the very best that no one ever was.
Ready, set, two. Ang sarap, hindi balik tayo. Pinahalaw sa ikaw yun.
Your guide for today, and our driver's Kuya Junie. Yung tour po namin is recording. Hindi siya tulad ng dati na nagsasalita kami because of the pandemic. But I will assure you, ni-assist kayo ever stop over for picture taking if gusto nyo pong magpa-picture. I hope mag-enjoy po kayo sa 45 minutes to 1 hour na to.
Wow.
Okay.
Thank you po. Hi, Jayra! Wow!
Mabuhay o Madayao. Welcome to Ida Nature Park and Resort. Before we start our journey, please listen carefully to this safety briefing. We will have 3 stopovers where we will allow you to disembark and explore for a few minutes. Should you encounter other people such as resort staff or other guests, be sure to practice safe social distancing and keep your mask on. We also advise you to please keep your mask on while inside the vehicle. Please refrain from picking the plants and flowers, as well as teasing and or petting the animals that may roam around the area. This is the end of the safety briefing. Is our fishing village, where you can catch tilapia or St. Peter's fish and hito or catfish. We will provide you with fishing rods and bait, and you may choose to either have us cook your catch or you take them out with you on your way home. On your left is our deer pen. This is an extension of our deer park, which you will see shortly. To your far right are our Vista cottages, our deluxe accommodations.
Ganito sa parang ganito sa Indonesia. Nung isang tour namin.
On your left side is the deer park, where we have about 30 Philippine deer.
30?
The
Wala
Philippine
nasa.
deer, also known as the Philippine sambar or the Philippine brown deer, is a species of deer native to the forests
yun nga, ang
and
dami.
grasslands on most larger islands of the Philippines. It is classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature due to its increasingly fragmented populations as a result of habitat loss and hunting. The Philippine deer is a medium-sized species, but generally much smaller than its cousin, the sambar deer. It is mostly even brown in color, with the exception of the underside of the tail, which is white. The antlers of the male are quite small, usually having a length of 20 to 40 cm or 7.9 to 15.7 inches. uses just water to provide the vegetables with nutrients. husks, ground into powder form, are used to hold the roots down. We do not use pesticides or chemical sprays on these vegetables. They are regularly served in our main restaurant. They are also available in selected supermarkets downtown. Simply look for the green Eden seal. On your right are the holiday lunches. These accommodations are duplex-type deluxe cottages. Across the road on your left is a small, multi-level function area called Holiday Terraces, so named after its multiple terrace design. Your left is the Mangostein Orchard, which covers a total of about 3 hectares. Across the road on your right is our Gulayang Filipino, where we showcase our organically grown local vegetables. These vegetables are also available in selected supermarkets downtown. Again, simply look for the green Eden seal. We are now entering the flower garden, where we have over 100 different varieties of flowers. This is our first stopover. Feel free to explore and enjoy, but please refrain from picking the flowers. You may also access the Gulayang Filipino through here. You have 5 minutes to roam around.
Uy, picture. Asa na picture?
Bawal mamita sa atin.
Tinalaglag na lang.
Okay, let's go.
Gimos.
Ba?
Ay, lang po pumunta rito.
Ako taga rin ako. Sila taga multinational.
Welcome back. We are about to resume our journey, so please sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. Speaking of view, the view from the amphitheater is of Davao.